Hi guys, this will be a very short video. I just wanted to give you some quick feedback to your quiz results that will help you with your Food Inc. assignments that you're doing for next week. Because I know that my video on Wednesday was a little long and rambly and contained some confusing information about the quizzes. So be sure to pay attention to the feedback that I gave you on your Ethos, Pathos, and Logos quiz. You did a good job picking out Logos and Pathos especially, and Ethos is a little bit more difficult, and you guys had a little of a harder time nailing that down because it's harder to nail down, and the fact that Ethos appeal is built oftentimes by good Pathos and Logos appeals. So review that a little bit, and think as you're writing your critical analysis for Food Inc., which you're looking at those rhetorical appeals and trying to make a case that it's an effective documentary or not an effective documentary. So review those appeals a little bit as you go to write that essay. In your summary and critical analysis quiz, same thing. Go over the feedback that I gave you. For both of those, be sure that you're saying in third person point of view, no, I think, or in my opinion, and summaries need to be objective. I should have no idea what you think about something, what your opinion is when you're writing a summary, and it is very short and concise. So your summary for Food Inc. Will probably be less than a paragraph. And your critical analysis, again, you are making an argument for whether the film is effective or not, looking at the rhetorical appeals. And the reflections, again, I encourage you to do those first because those are the, I guess, easiest if we're going to define them that way, because those are personal responses. First person point of view, you're just kind of reflecting and thinking about some of those questions that were posed. So as you go forward this week, remember that you're approaching a text, in this case the text is a documentary film, in 3 different ways. Personal reflection, summary, very objective, just giving a synopsis of what it's about, and critical analysis, looking at the rhetorical appeals and making a claim about the efficacy of the film. Please also do, at the end of all of this, a works cited page that includes the film. I've given you the information and where to look in your little brown handbook to cite it correctly. Shoot me an email with any questions or concerns, and I will talk to you then. Have a good weekend.